Hey everyone, today I will show you how to put your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on your PS5 so you can keep your progress, skins and stats. First of all, go to epicgames.com on a computer or mobile browser and log into the Epic Games account you used on your Nintendo Switch. Once you are logged in, click on your profile in the top right corner, go to Account, then select Apps and Accounts. Under the Apps and Accounts tab, find PlayStation Network, select Connect and log in with your PSN account information to link your PS5. Now open Fortnite on your PS5. If you are already signed into your Epic Games account, your Nintendo Switch progress, skins, and stats should be there. And that's it. You are now ready to play Fortnite on your PS5 with all your progress from the Switch. Enjoy gaming. Thanks for watching.